Stop wasting money on expensive hair products because this homemade hair mask will transform your hair in just a day. If your hair is dry, breaking, shedding, or not growing at all, this powerful natural recipe will change everything. It will give your hair soft, strong, and long hair faster. You will get hair growing very faster than you cannot even imagine. And the secret part is it is already in your kitchen. So stay tuned with me. Stay tuned with me because I'm going to show you exactly how to cook it and how to prepare everything, how to apply it. Definitely, it's not going to be only two ingredients. I will definitely going to add another ingredients inside. So you need to stay tuned. You see potato and rice, and one hand with potato, one hand with rice. So it's not going to be only potato and rice. It's going to be another ingredients. You need to stay tuned and watch everything step by step, and you can also get the same result. Okay, don't rush because I will definitely going to apply it to my daughter for you guys to see the beginning and the result. Also, you need to see the result of this hair mask. So after you peel your potato, make sure to wash it again. Okay, you have to wash it before you cut it and put into your pot or add it into your rice. My rice is already on fire, so I steam it for 10 minutes. For the 10 minutes, I'm taking the water of the potato and the rice. I'm going to use it as a leave-in spray. So please come back and watch that video, okay, because this thing is going to be powerful. I will turn it to be a powerful leave-in spray. So let's go back to the main job. So right now, as my potato and the rice in the fire cooking, I'm going to allow it get cooked for 5 to 10 minutes. So after that, I'm pouring it inside my blender to blend it. But before you cook your potato and rice, mind you guys, do not allow it to get burnt. If you burn it, you can see my pot, the under is very clean. So if your tin is burnt, please throw it away and make new batch again, because otherwise you have spoiled all the nutrients. You need the nutrients to be inside, not to kill all the nutrients. So after you blend it this way, you can see I get a very smoother paste, but it's not going to be enough. I will definitely going to strain it to get more smoothed cream that we need from here. Okay, so my people, while we are doing it, let me take you guys back for us to check on potato. Potato is rich in vitamin C and B. It's also strengthening hair strength and helping to reduce hair falling. It's also adding natural shining. Potato can help with scalp healthy and reduce your dandruff. If you have dandruff in your hair, it's going to help you to reduce dandruff from your hair. Potato is very good. So after straining, the next ingredient I'm adding to my potato is my yogurt. Okay, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of yogurt inside. So after I add the yogurt, I start to mix it again because I have to make the yogurt to mix very quick because the hair mask is still hot. If you just waste time, when you milk, I don't know how, when the milk spoil, you see how there is just cutting like this. So if you put the yogurt without mixing it fast, or you do not allow your thing to get cold, you can spoil your hair mask. So all these things is very important for you to watch. So after my yogurt, I added 1 tablespoon of honey into it. So let's go and check and see rice. So after I'm adding my vitamin E oil. Rice also is contained in inositol, and inositol is repairing damaging hair and strengthening hair roof. It's also reducing hair breaking and smoothing and making your hair silk. Rice is also promoting hair growing and adding natural shine to your hair. Rice is very good whether you are using rice water, rice mask, whatever that you are using rice to do with your hair, you are not going to regret for using it. So after that, I added 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Yogurt also is deep conditioning your hair. It softens dry hair and contains protein. It's having protein. It's also strengthening hair strength. It helps to fight dandruff and irritation scalp. If you have irritation scalp and you are adding yogurt inside, is going to help you. Why honey also is having natural humidity. Natural humidity is locking moisture into your hair and adding natural shine and softness to your hair. It also helps to reduce freezing hair. Honey is very, very good. And mind you guys, it's not something that has remained there. So now this is the magic time is coming, because I'm going to apply this to my daughter hair. Okay, my people, before we continue, for me to tell you guys the benefit of the rest of the ingredients why I'm applying to my daughter hair. You see, my daughter is helping me. She also learning the thing. She's hydrating her scalp by herself. So first, I wash. Make sure before you use this treatment, make sure to wash your hair. I opened my daughter hair yesterday and I wash it. Okay, so now the next thing I'm going to do is I will make sure that I'm going to hydrate her hair before I apply this hair mask into her hair. You see what she's just pouring inside her scalp, and you see this hairspray that I'm using. Mind you guys, the one that I just trained about a few minutes ago, I told you people the video is coming, so you need to come back and watch that video. So let's go back and see vitamin E oil. I added vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil also is boosting scalp circulation and supporting healthy hair growing. It's also repairing damaging hair and hair follicles. Is adding shining while you are using vitamin E oil. Why the infusing oil? I used infusing oil. That infusing oil also, it was my pineapple leaf and avocado seed I used to infuse that oil. So let's start with the pineapple leaf, why you use it to infuse oil. Pineapple leaf is also known for traditional medicine. It's using for hair growing for centuries. It's also strengthening hair roots and improving scalp healthy. Why avocado or avocado seed also is also doing what? It's rich in antioxidant and healthy fats. It's nourishing scalp deeply and promoting thicker hair growing while you are using it. I also added lavender essential oil inside. Why is the lavender essential oil is stimulating hair growth and calms your scalp irritation and improving blood circulation to your hair. So lavender essential oil is very, very good, but I choose lavender because because of she's a child. I have peppermint rosemary essential oil, but those essential oils is a little bit heavy for my daughter. She just now that she just getting to 3 years. Tomorrow, Tuesday, May 5th May is my daughter birthday. Tomorrow is her birthday. Her birthday is tomorrow. Happy birthday to you, my love. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Tomorrow is my daughter's birthday, so I'm just trying all my best to make sure that her scalp will be healthy for. I'm not concerned like hair growing, but I need a healthy scalp, because I know if she have a healthy scalp, definitely whether rain or shine, the hair will come automatic. So it's not something like we just need healthy scalp. That's the most important for the children. Yeah, I don't focus on the hair growing, I focus on the scalp, for the healthy scalp, so that the hair will come automatic. I'm not going to look for the hair to come. The hair will come automatic if she have healthy scalp. So that's it. So now, as you guys can see, I'm applying it. So before you apply it, as I told you guys earlier, you need to wash your hair. Okay, make sure your hair is washed, clean thoroughly. Whether you have but if you have braid, you don't use it. If you just make a cornrow, just only your own natural hair, you can apply this hair mask. If you make a twist or 3 mini braids by your natural hair, you are free. You can use this hair mask. This hair mask is very powerful because rice is repairing damaging hair and strengthening hair roots. While potato also is boosting shining and reducing hair falling. Yogurt is deep conditioning your hair and fighting dandruff from your hair. While honey also is locking moisture into your hair. Vitamin E is promoting healthy hair growing and scalp healthier. It's also this infusing oil that also is nourishing and strengthening your roof. Lavender essential oil is also stimulating hair growing and relaxing your scalp. So applying this hair mask, is going to be a very amazing. While you are doing, as you guys see how I do it, please always make sure to do it section by section, and please let me know in the comment section, will you love to try this hair mask for your hair, or will you love to try it with your children's hair? Or have you ever tried potato and rice hair mask before? If you tried before, please let me know your results in the comments below, okay? And if you try it, please try it and come back to tell me your testimonial. Come back and tell me how you see everything has entered my daughter hair. Come back and tell me, because this thing is just a natural relaxer to relax your child hair, to make your child feel very comfortable and easier to comb her hair. So I would love to show you guys after wash Princess hair. I want to show it to you people, but I don't know how it's going to be, because she's been telling me that she wants to sleep. But normally, if you make this hair mask, always try to keep it at least 30 to 40 minutes. You are adult, I'm talking about the adult. 30 to 40 minutes you can keep it, or 1 hour even, you can keep it in your hair before go and wash it. But the children, when we come to the children, 15 to 20 minutes, please take them and go and wash it, because you the adult or you the parents, your scalp and the children's scalp are not the same. So I always do these things, but I always make sure to keep it inside her hair for 15 to 20 minutes. Now I always take her and go and wash her hair, because even if not, you can see that the child is not more feeling comfortable. She's feeling some heaviness on herself, so you need to wash it by 15 to 20 minutes, okay? As a children, I mean age of like my daughter, because my daughter will be 3 years tomorrow, 5th May. She's going to be 3 years now, and so 3 years children, 3 year, about 3 to 4 years, don't keep them too much long. But if the child is like 6 to 7, 8 years, okay, fine, that one maybe you can just let them, they can keep it like that. But if not, please, children 3-4 years, just 15 to 20 minutes, go and wash their scalp, okay? It's very, very important. So let me know, will you love to try it, or have you ever tried it before? I would love to see your feedback in the comment section. And also, please wish me, if you watch it to this point, try to wish us. I don't know when this video is going to post. Maybe it can happen Princess birthday is past or not yet, but it will pass actually, because tomorrow is her birthday and I'm not posting the video tomorrow. So you people should wish us the birthday. So now, my people, as you guys can see, I washed this child hair, but she told me that I shouldn't touch the hair. So I don't know how I'm doing, my people. Her hair is she just having bush hair, and it's making me easy when I use this treatment. But she said no, I shouldn't do anything, and it's going to be difficult for me, but I have to just try on my best, hold it like normal way how I used to hold it. She said I shouldn't touch. She's want to sleep. Oh, she want to sleep. I shouldn't deserve, and telling me please, that please alone is killing me. If she's telling me please, I want to sleep, mama, please, I want to sleep, mommy, it's killing me. She know my weak point, this girl. So now, as you guys can see, the back is backing, her hair is growing. I love the way it's growing, very thicker and bush, something like, I don't know how. As you guys can see the texture of the hair, I'm not going to say anything again. So she's not allowing me to touch it to do anything, but I will try to just hold it maybe 4 parts, so that it will be easier for tomorrow, so that I can moisturize it. Yes, my people, you can see what I do. So I'll do it tomorrow. Bye bye.